JBL 2.1 soundbar with a wireless subwoofer. Soundbar out, it comes with a collar around it like so. Wait, let me give you a hand. This is the subwoofer box. Here you go. A look at the subwoofer. It's a 6.5 inch subwoofer. So what's in this box? Power cable and another power cable, one for the soundbar, one for the subwoofer. A whole load of brackets for mounting the soundbar along with screws, and also importantly with a couple of AAA batteries for the remote and a HDMI cable. Documentation, warranty information, and most importantly a quick start guide. A quick look at the remote. Sweet and simple design. The box says Bluetooth, HDMI and Dolby Audio. Bear in mind this soundbar does not have Dolby Atmos. On the box it markets itself as thrilling bass. The soundbar itself has a very sleek design with the top having a piano grey kind of finish. Inside the grille on each side there are two mid-range drivers along with one tweeter. A very important thing to note here is the I/O. Listen to this carefully. It's got its power in and optical in, two HDMIs in, out of which one is a HDMI with ARC support. This is important. The USB in is only for service. I think only in the USA model you can use this USB for playing music. Also another very important point to note is that it does not have auxiliary in through a 3.5mm jack or RCA cables. Of course it has Bluetooth. The top has got its switch gear with a rubberized kind of finish, the power button, the volume plus minus buttons and the source button. They have quite a tactile feedback. At the bottom it is supported by rubber grommets like such on either side. Onto the subwoofer box itself. Sleek in design. Another look at the subwoofer, the 6.5 inch subwoofer. The bottom of the subwoofer again is supported by rubber standoffs. The back of the subwoofer has got a big port and more importantly it has got a sync button. However, when you first plug in this device, you don't really need to sync it, at least I did not have to, it does it automatically. One important thing to note is if you want to buy a soundbar with a subwoofer, please ensure that the subwoofer is at least 200 watts as it is in this model. It is only when it is 200 watts or above that you will actually get to feel the bass, which is the whole point of having a subwoofer box. JBL themselves have got lower end models with a weaker subwoofer, so I will not recommend those at all. Links to this one are available in the description. Leaving you with some sound bites so that you can judge the speaker for yourself. These are recorded on a Zoom H1.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the